Hi, welcome back. This is Nick Agram once again. I will be discussing trigonometric equations and identities in this series of videos. I will be putting them in one playlist, everything that is included in this trigonometric equations and identities. So I hope you will be able to find them in just one playlist. And the first topic that I want to discuss in this chapter is the trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations are similar to algebraic equations, but it involves trigonometric functions, as you can see here. And the same with an algebraic equations, we can use graphical solution to find the solution of trigonometric equations, and we can find also by using algebra. Okay, so we start with graphical solutions. You can see here, solve 2 sine x minus cosine x is equal to 4 minus x for 0 to 2 pi, for x is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 2 pi. The calculator that I'm going to use here is Casio FX9750G2. And wait for a while, I will show you my screen. Here you go. Before I came here in this part of the calculator, you can put push your menu sorry, menu button, and choose the graph and X, and then type the equation that you have. You can use this one. We have the first function. You can take this as one function, y is equal to sine x minus cosine x, and another function, y is equal to 4 minus x. That is what I did here. I put them in into two different functions, and then if I'm going to enter there and then draw, you can see that there is a point of intersection, and the point of intersections are the solution of this equation. Okay, how to find that? We have GSolve. If you're familiar with this calculator, then we have graphical solve F5, and then you can see that we have intersection there, ISCT, and that is also F5. And the first intersection there is x is equal to 1.882 if we want to have two decimals, and then the second intersection is 3.76, and the third intersection is 5.81. And as you can see there, I put here in my window here, I put that my maximum is 6.28. Why? That is 2 pi, from 0 to 2 pi. That's the reason why you can only see those points. Okay, so the first point, first. There is your first point, 1.82 for the x. You only need the x value. And then the second, and then the third. Okay, for the next example, we have also from 0 to 2 pi. And then I'm going to prepare for the A now. Okay, sine, you don't see my screen. Here is mine. Sine x plus 2 in a parenthesis is equal to 0.0652. So if I'm going to graph that, then there is my graph. Then I have 2 points there. Okay, because I read it that I only have 6.2 there, 2 pi. So exit, and then we have key is solved and then another key is solved, then we have the first intersection. We have 1.08, and then the second will be 4.35. Okay, for B, I will show you later, but I'm going to prepare first. See you later. Okay, I'm ready. Here is my graph for our B. Then that is equal to 0. It says there. I'm going to exit so that you can see. 0. Don't be confused that the square there is only for the x. So that's why I put it here. Sine parenthesis squared. Okay. Draw. There you go. When it is equal to 0, then you only have what we call root. So you only need the roots. Okay, F1. Then we have our first root there, 0.6667. And then the second should be 2.48. Okay, for C, I will prepare once again. There you go. X times tangent in parentheses x squared divided by 10. That is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 1. If we're going to graph that, it will look like this. That's it. And we have two intersections there, as you can see. So we can see the first intersection will be 0.17 and the second intersection will be 4.92. Okay, and then the last one, D. There you go. 2 sine 2x cosine x is equal to ln of x. Let's see. Draw. It should look like this. And then as you can see, there are 3 point of intersections. The first one, when x is 1.31. The second one is when x is 2.03. And the third one is when x is equal to 2.85. Okay. In my next video, I will be discussing graphical solution, a little bit boring as you can see. It is more exciting to solve trigonometric equations using algebraic solutions. Okay, so I hope I can see you on my next video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you soon.